Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. How are you guys?
This feel like hello sis. I'm
Hello.
fine. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, bro.
Glad to
How
see
about
you again,
others?
sis.
Glad
Hi
to see you
sis.
too. Hi, this is Nadira and others too, guys. Welcome back to the class. I
Hello,
hope you're in
Gaza.
a good condition. Yeah. Hi. I hope you are in a good condition right now, guys. And
Sis,
also for
can I have a
yes,
question on you, please?
what is that?
Can you put on your username gay again on the chat?
Okay.
Because I forget to
All right.
follow on your Instagram.
Okay.
My bad, sis. Sorry.
It's okay. Aku udah follow back ya kemarin itu tadi atau kemarin sih kalian follow-nya. Aku
Fazer
udah follow
miss
back
out.
ya pada sis dan bro-bronya. Oke.
Web sis. I'm gonna follow your
Alright.
Instagram right now.
Okay.
Because we're
I'll
after
follow back
this.
later ya after the class, okay?
Alright, thank you, sis.
Anytime, bro. Alright,
Sis,
everyone. Ya,
aku mau follow tapi akunku alay.
gak apa-apa sama-sama alay kok kita tuh.
Aku mau
Is
follow
that your
tapi mau
Instagram, sis? 1,000, sorry, 1,020.
Jangan disebut please di sini,
All
aduh.
right, then go. Streamable, right?
No. There is no any photos on my
Hello, ma'am.
Instagram. Oh my
Hello,
God,
ma'am.
ma'am, how come? Don't call me ma'am, guys. Just
Yes,
call me by
yes,
Sister. Yes.
yes. I
Just
wanna,
call me mine.
yes, I wanna follow you, but
Why you? Sorry, bro.
I'm
You
still,
call his
still
Saza
I
man?
Skip,
Mine?
skip.
this.
Why you
Yeah,
say
yeah, bro.
this,
Yeah, go
bro?
on, go on, go on.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I wanna follow you, but I'm still shy. Malu-malu. How to say?
Iya, shy, shy. It's
Yes.
not shy ya, guys, karena artinya beda. Nanti kalian boleh cari sendiri ya. Kalau misalnya shy itu gini. No, itu shy bacanya. Tapi kalau malu itu shy. Pakai kayak
Shy.
kayak mau
Shy.
ayam. Oke, shy. Ini jadinya shy. Shy gini. Nah, shy.
Shy.
Pakai Y deh itu, nggak pakai H. SY juga. SYAI shy gini.
Shy.
Ya,
Like
oke.
Arabic, I think shy.
Ya, shy benar.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Totally true. Okay,
I
so
guess on
let's
the
go, everyone. What is
same
that?
like
Yeah,
Slay.
shy,
The Slay
shy.
is a SL. All right,
Okay,
continue, sis.
right. So everyone, we just want to go to our topic for today. And by the way, before we go into the topic, I just want to ask about yesterday topic. Do you still remember about yesterday topic? How, if we want to
Boolean
say
topics.
that we are feeling right now, how could we say? Pakai apa ya bridgingnya? Kalau kita mau mengatakan apa yang sedang kita rasakan.
I feel.
I
Ya,
feel or
I
I am.
feel or I am atau you are atau they are or even they feel. Kalau misalnya dia perempuan, misalnya ada uh, wait, siapa ya?
She
Sis
feels.
Desi. Sis Desi merasa hmm, merasa bersemangat. Apa tuh?
Sis Daisy
Sis Desi
feels.
merasa bersemangat.
Daisy feels
Feels
exciting.
Feels
excited. Okay, excited. Okay, excited.
Excited.
Okay, bukan exciting tapi excited. Bedanya apa kan? Tahu kan?
Excited.
Kalau ing sama ed, what's the
ya.
difference? Kalau ed untuk apa?
Kalau Ede pas, tapi kalau ini tuh sedang berlangsung gitu.
No. Itu untuk verb. Kalau
Oh iya.
misalnya untuk adjective, itu dia kalau ed untuk mengungkapkan perasaan kita. Tapi kalau misalnya yang ing itu untuk mengungkapkan sifat dari si Subject.
Subject.
Exactly. Oke, contohnya kayak misalnya I am exciting. Berarti tuh saya itu sifatnya
Menarik.
itu ya kayak exciting. I'm interesting. Berarti saya itu yang menarik gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya I'm interested, berarti saya merasa
Tertarik.
tertarik.
Oh.
Okay, so what about this one? Kondisinya dia sedang tertarik gitu. Atau dia sedang tertarik terhadap sesuatu. Okay, so here we go about this one, guys. We just want to go to our topic first. It's about weather and season. Okay, it's about weather and season. It's about cuaca dan juga musim. By the way, guys, which one do you prefer? Do you like before I just want to ask you about which one do you like? I just want to ask you how many seasons that we have in our country? How many seasons?
4 season.
In our country ada kan musim salju,
Sumatera.
kompak,
2
Season.
season.
Rain.
season.
Rain.
Ada apa aja yang pertama?
Rain.
Rainy and
Wet season
and dry
season.
Dry or wet ataupun boleh pakai dry and rainy season, oke? Musim
Alright,
kemarau dan
sis.
musim hujan atau musim panas dan musim hujan. Alright, so okay guys, what about the weather in your place right now? How was the weather in your place?
Windy.
it's cloudy, I think.
Windy, it's cloudy, okay. Sis Nisa, cloudy, Bro Rizky, windy. Okay, what else?
Cloudy.
Rainy.
Same on the bro risky.
Okay. All right. I think much of the place in Indonesia right now it's kind of rainy, going to rainy season. But yeah, in my place it's still hot, I think.
Wow.
Because
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I just opened the forecast kayak ramalannya gitu. So it's just like the red zone. That's because of too hot in my place. But I don't know until where, sampai kapan. But yeah, it's going to rainy season too. Okay, so how about this one, guys? There will be like several vocabularies. Wait, but just watch together ya first. Kita ini dulu ya.
Waduh, nggak premium.
You want to go to Bali, but you're not sure when. Well, you're not the
Payment
only
on the
Tips
and
together
there's not
first.
just one right answer. In this video, we'll go over the best times to visit Bali and why. First off, let me guess, you want to go when it's sunny, right? Well, Bali is located only 8 degrees from the equator, which means that it's hot and sunny all year round, with temperatures averaging around 30 degrees Celsius. Bali does have a tropical monsoon climate, which means that you'll have a dry season between May and September, and a wet season between October and April. Now, monsoon refers to the wind though, so you don't really have a rain season, and you'll still get a lot of sunny days, because rainstorms are not daily, and often they clear up quite quickly. That being said, avoid coming between October and April if you're only here for a short while. If you're a digital nomad, planning on staying a while, or don't mind the risk of a rainy shower, then go ahead, it's totally fine. Having lived here, I kind of welcome the rain as it cools down the temperature a bit. Next up, if you're more into shopping or visiting the many riches that Bali has to offer, there are 2 periods that you should consider: high season and low season. High season is the one to avoid, which is during the Easter holiday, July and August, and between Christmas and New Year, when Bali is busiest. So if you want to minimize tourist hordes, avoid those times. Low season falls anytime between those dates. Okay, so I'll let you in on a little secret. The best time to come to Bali is April, May, June, and September, just before and just after the high season. It's dry, less humid, and at this time, room prices and villa rentals can be down 30 to 50% compared to the high season. Many shops offer sales and promotions, and restaurants are just less crowded in those mid-season months. Now, if you're going to be there for a long time, then the least crowded time will be in the first few months of the year. So any of the mid-season or low-season periods are going to be your best bet. A lot of major activities and attractions, such as the Bali Zoo, the Bird Park, the Marine and Safari Park, Water Bomb, Monkey Forest, and a lot of other fun things to do will be less crowded. So now that you know all of this, it's up to you to decide when you can bring the kids, take time off work, or plan your honeymoon. I'll summarize all of this in just a sec and give you 2 bonus tips. But first, if this video helped you in any way, consider helping us grow our YouTube channel by liking and subscribing.
Okay, all right. So how this one? I just want to ask you guys, what is the best time to go to Bali based on the video? What is the best time?
April, May, June,
April,
September.
Yes, it's before and after high season or peak season, right? For Easter
Yes.
and also Christmas. All right. What about the weather in Bali all the year? How about the weather? Is that rainy all the year or even sunny all the year?
Sunny.
Hot and sunny all the year. So that's what is it? All the time is the best time, right, for visiting because it's not that what is it? Rainy all the time in Bali, just sometimes. Okay. So what about this one, guys? I just want to ask you about this one. Sunny. What is sunny in English? In Indonesia, sorry.
Cerah.
What is sunny? Cerah, okay. It's
Cerah.
sunny day, berarti ini ada hari yang cerah and cloudy.
Awan, mendung.
Okay. Rainy.
Hujan.
Okay. Hujan, windy apa? Wind.
Berangin.
Berangin. And then stormy.
Badai.
Badai.
Okay. Badai. Okay. And then cold.
Dingin.
Dingin.
Freezing. What is freezing?
Beku.
Yes, membeku dingin banget ya.
Terjun lah.
banget.
Okay, hot. What about
Panas.
hot? It's panas. Next, what about foggy?
Kabut.
Berkabut.
Berkabut. Okay, warm. Ini warm ya,
Warm,
warm.
warm.
Warm. Hangat. Okay, rainbow.
Pelangi.
Drizzle.
Gerimis.
Gerimis, benar. Gerimis.
Marau itu, sis.
Okay. Apa?
Dry season.
Yes, dry season. What is dry
Kemarau.
Musim kemarau.
Kemarau. Yes, exactly. Rainy season.
Musim hujan.
Iya, hujan. Summer. What is summer?
Musim panas.
Panas.
Kemarau. Oke, panas. Terus lagi ada spring.
Musim salju.
Semi.
Musim semi.
And autumn, musim
Gugur.
semi
Gugur.
gugur. Terus lagi satu lagi adalah musim winter. Apa itu winter?
Salju.
Musim
Salju.
dingin. Salju.
Dingin.
Ya, atau musim
But
salju atau
in the
dingin.
Indonesian, no have that.
Yes, exactly. Mungkin ada tapi di ujung Papua
Papua
sana.
nggak sih? Papua
Ya,
sis.
di apa? Di
Cuma gunung
Korlas ya.
doangnya tapi itu
Puncak
sis.
Jaya, ya, ujungnya doang. Di top of the mountain. Oke, mungkin ada ya kayak like several years ago or even several months ago there will be like stormy and then it just comes like ice cubes, rainy, kayak hujan es batu
Ya, paling cuma ada
in
itu
some
doang di
places,
Indonesia.
right? In some places, right? I think that's kind of cool. Ataupun ada di sini kayak yang udah pernah merasakan itu hujan es batu di tempat kalian guys atau di Surabaya ya atau kemarin? Is there anyone
Sorry,
that ever
sis?
felt that?
Sorry sis, can you repeat your statement? What?
What
the
is it?
questions?
That's the what is it? Like rainy, but it's just like the ice cubes. Hujan es
No,
batu in your place.
Hmm.
Apakah sudah pernah merasakan? Mungkin ada yang
Never.
tempatnya kemarin.
Hujan batu sih.
Ya, bukan hujan batu,
Oh,
bro.
I
Batu,
miss.
es batu.
I've been.
Oh.
Ada yang pernah?
Me.
Hujan uang
Oke.
sih.
Me.
Kalau hujan uang aku juga mau sih, bro.
Ya udah sini aja sis.
Oke. Musim dingin. Oke. So, kalau apa? Kekeringan apa? Ada yang tahu kekeringan?
Ketat.
Kemarin bukan.
Bro.
Lupa apa kan?
Kekeringan. Itu lebih parah lagi tuh.
Drought.
Drought. Ini kekeringan, drought. Terus kalau lembab, what is lembab in English?
Humid.
Wet.
Yes, humid.
Humid.
Humid ya,
Oh.
lembab. Kalau kelembapan itu adalah humidity. Kelembapan. Kalau lembabnya itu humid. Okay. So, what about this one? I just want to ask you guys about several statements. By the way, guys, which one do you prefer? A rainy season or dry season?
Rainy season.
Okay.
Of me.
Why do
Rainy
you choose
season.
rainy season, bro? Akbar, go on.
Because why I'm gonna choose is rainy seasons. Only this rainy seasons on my place because dingin.
Yeah, I
Like it's
know.
cold.
Kalau udah rainy.
I like his cool.
Okay, you just like the cold, right? So we
Yeah.
just prefer rainy than dry season.
No, I
Okay.
think prefer of rainy seasons. This
Yeah.
one choose.
Dry season.
Okay, all right. Siapa tadi dry season? Sis Nadira.
Yeah, miss.
Okay, why do you choose dry season?
Because if the rainy season we didn't go to keluar, miss, apa miss?
Go out.
Go out. But if the dry season, I think we can
Go out.
we can go out. So lebih prefer dry season sih, miss.
Then rainy
Pekerjaan nggak
season.
terhambat. Pekerjaan nggak terhambat gitu sih, miss. But I like cold. Aku suka dingin. But untuk kegiatan sehari-hari, I prefer dry season sih, miss.
All right, I got a point. So when rainy season, we just like couldn't even control what is it? For example, when we go outside and then it's rainy season, it's just like so many problems, right?
Yes.
Maybe
Right.
about the transportation or even about the place that we want to visit or something. So that's prefer for doing the activity, just prefer in a dry season or sunny, right? We
Yes.
just can go everywhere that we want. Okay, all right. Got a point.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Next,
Thank you.
others.
Next,
Brohi, coba, let's go, bro.
what the question says?
The question, which one do you prefer, dry season or rainy season?
I prefer dry season because I don't like rainy season because I think I feel cool.
Okay, you feel cold, so you just prefer something hot.
Yes. Because
Okay.
but yes, because when dry season, I think we use AC maybe.
Mm.
Yes. Login to how to say masjid.
Okay, you just go to the mosque
Yes, go to the mosque and then
or even going to the Alfamart, Indomart.
yes. correct.
So it doesn't matter, yeah, if you just go out in a dry season. Okay, all right. Thank you, Brohi. Next, others. Yuk,
Welcome.
sister, yuk.
Miss,
Show
kalau
off dong.
enggak keduanya.
Oh, enggak keduanya. Jadinya musim apa? Musim salju?
Tergantung, Miss.
Okay, coba. Let's go, sis. It depend on what?
Depend on the time, I think.
The time, right?
Jadi kayak ya
For example,
pasti ada plus minusnya kan kalau
benar.
musim kemarau sama hujan. Kan nggak mungkin kemarau terus gitu.
Yes.
Gimana
For
kalau musim
example,
dingin, Sis?
Banyak dia ngono ya. Sebelumnya pernah beli nggih. Seperti itu nggih.
Bro, can you mute on your mic, please?
Okay, sudah. Go on.
Example, ya 6 bulan dry season, 6 bulan rainy season gitu.
Okay, but which one? Pokoknya nggak ada yang suka banget, biasa aja berarti ya?
Ya, biasa aja.
Okay, so
Kayaknya
it's
ya
just
sama
like the
aja
same.
mau kemarau atau hujan.
Pasti ada aja yang kurangnya ya. Jadi ya udahlah gitu.
Ya, just let it go.
Okay, all right. Okay, Sis Lisa, thank you. Okay, others? Apakah ada yang
Um,
sekali Sis Lisa? Okay, Azalea, go on.
I think I'd go with the dry season because like you don't have to worry about a sudden afternoon downpouring running your coming to outdoor plants. I think when it's the dry season, you can make more predictable plans, and it's much easier to, in my opinion, it's much easier to style your outfit.
Oh.
And in some places, when there's intense rainfall, in some places there might be can cause a natural disaster.
In a rainy, right?
Yeah.
And then that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So agree with that. Yeah, sometimes when rainy season, there will be a lot of natural disaster will happen. It's flood, it can be landslide or something. But in a dry season, I think just like it's like minimize, sangat-sangat meminimalisasi tentang yang ini ya, bencana-bencana seperti itu. But ya tetap aja, it's depend on the God's plan, right?
Ya.
Okay. Alright, thank you Azalea. Next, ada lagi yang mau coba?
I prefer dry season, sis.
Yes, why do you prefer dry season, sis?
Because I think we can go anywhere without think about a flood or something like that. And we don't have to postpone our schedule because all rainy all of day. Yeah, that's it.
All right, exactly. So we don't need to reschedule and or even like cancel our schedule. Yeah, we can just go without any what is it like something problem. Okay, thank you Sis Olive. All right, satu lagi ada? Mau? Anyone wants to tell?
Saya Miss.
Okay, Bro Rizky, go on.
I prefer balance, Miss.
Okay.
Rainy and dry is good for us.
Why? Why it's good, by the way? Do you have a reason?
Because everything are over is not good. Like when rainy, we know in Indonesia the infrastructure is not like in a developed country, like
Yes.
road. If rainy, the road may be becek. Apa bahasa Inggris becek ya?
Okay, just like full of water, right? Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe it can make flood.
Yes.
Floody atau
Flood.
flood. Yeah, flood. Yeah.
Okay. So our facility in our country it doesn't support, right? For the rainy season. Okay. All right. Thank you, Bro Rizky. Okay. So everyone, right now it's a time for what is it? Wait a second. I just want to give you some of the topic. Okay. It's not only the topic that is in our PPT, but also out of that. But before that, I just want to divide it first. Okay. Ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu nggak sebelum divide in the breakout room? Is there any question before we go into breakout room? Ada berapa orang? 32. Is there any question? No?
Sis.
Okay, so here we go. All right. Go on, guys.
From here's enough on discussion. Thank you, sis.
All right.
Miss, tadi spelling becek apa, Miss?
Becek tadi boleh pakai full of water or even like just like wait second.
Miss.
Ada, Miss.
Full of water, bro. Tunggu ya, aku assign. Ada yang belum masuk tuh.
Sorry, Miss. I'm late, Miss.
Water. It's okay, bro Gerald. Go on ya, ke breakout. Oke, sudah.
Miss, yang belum ada roomnya, Miss.
Sis, boleh pindah nggak sis?
Oke, apa tuh?
Boleh pindah nggak? Nggak ada di room 4 sis.
Kok aku nggak bisa masuk? Aduh, kenapa lagi nih? Ini HP-ku ya problem apa gimana nih? Tunggu sih sebentar ya, aku masukin satu-satu, tunggu bentar. Ini ada yang baru masuk juga. Ya, sebentar. Sisvi. Bro, siapa tadi bro? Namanya bro?
Bro Tommy sis.
Oke, sebentar ya bro. Sisvi, bentar ya. Jangan klik dulu, oke? Jangan diklik. Bentar ya. Jangan diklik dulu. Sisvi, mana dia? Where is Sisvi? Oke. Oke, sudah Sisvi. Bro Tommy. Oke, pengen pindah kemana bro? Oh ya, belum ada orangnya ternyata.
Iya, nggak
Di
ada
mana
di room
sudah
4
bro?
sis.
Di room 4. Ah, Miss, pindahin aku ke room 4 aja, Miss. Kenapa? Pindahin aku ke room 4 aja, Miss. Kenapa? Ih,
Ah, udah Miss capek.
halo. Oke, sis Nisa keluar lagi ya. Oke, wait.
Jaringannya jelek banget.
Oke.
Gak
Alright,
apalah, di
bentar
luar
ya.
aja.
Sudah masuk? Sudah bisa masuk?
Sis, aku belum masuk breakout room, sis.
Oke, sebentar bro. Wait, aku baru aja mau pindah ini. Tunggu ya. Bentar. Sudah?
Thank you so much, sis.
Anytime bro. Oke. Nggak bisa masuk ya sis Nisa ya? Wait a second.
Kasihan Tatanya. Yo, tak.
That's the way the
Hello,
Hello.
everyone. Welcome back to the main room. How's our room, by the way?
Hi, hi.
Kayaknya
That's
tadi
really
hari
good.
ini,
And
but I think for today banyak yang nggak mau ngomong ya. Kenapa?
Canggung.
Bagi
Kita tadi
saya
nggak
sih
ngomong kalau
canggung
misalkan
sih.
saya berdua di backroom. Sorry Kak Tata.
Halo.
Sis,
Feel tired, bro.
Hello.
sis,
Hello,
lagunya sikit
guys.
sekali.
Hello.
Where is it, Sis Tata? On my
Sis
first
Tata
day?
tadi di room berapa ya? Room 5 ya? If
I just
I'm
want to
not
say this sorry
wrong.
for Sis
Tata.
Tata. Maga.
Kenapa? By the way,
Coba
tadi kenapa sih Sis Tata?
Nggak lagi ngobrol aja, cuma lagi di room tuh berdua, Sis. Gitu.
Oh, oke.
Terus sis Zaza mindahnya pas kita lagi ngobrol.
Oh, sorry guys.
Nggak apa-apa, it's okay. Kan sis juga nggak tahu kan, lagi di room lain kan. Makanya tadi harusnya
Tadi
dalam
aku
pikiranku,
langsung pindah-pindah aja
nah itu
karena
dalam
aku lihat
iniku
chatnya.
salahku juga harusnya nggak usah ngomong tadi.
Aduh.
Bang Dedet katanya mau nunjukin muka.
Where is the sis Tata? Going.
He's still in the breakout, I think. Tunggu. Oke, semuanya udah kok, udah keluar. Berarti sis Tatanya mana nih sis Tata? Where are you sis Tata? So sorry.
No, you. It's me.
Oke.
Because I'm saying this.
Aku ketinggalan apa nih?
It's okay. All right. Okay. So everyone, I just like have hope for this for the next. If we are in the breakout room, okay, please just answer the question. Walaupun ada beberapa kayak sis masih bingung sis, ya it's okay. Just mix with Indonesia, okay. Jadi boleh campur-campur aja dulu, okay. Nggak yang harus full English gitu, okay. So don't be afraid of your friends, okay?
Okay.
Sis.
Yes, miss.
Sis, waktunya kesikitan
Yes.
sis.
Kenapa,
Yes.
bro? Kenapa sis?
Waktunya kesikitan. Tadi asik ngobrol.
Just
Oh,
2 minutes.
okay.
If you want a long beat time, you go to in on Discord. Go to in Discord, sis.
Discord ya, boleh
Go
ke
to in
Discord.
Discord.
By the way, you can just like make your own room, right? Kayak kalian ngumpul gabung aja langsung kayak misalnya di ruangan di room 5. Kalian semua kan boleh kan? Kalau lagi sepi tuh.
Sis Nadira
Iya nggak
still
sih?
curhat.
Just like janjian aja. Janjian aja yuk. Misalnya malam minggu Discord. Terus kalian janjian aja di room berapa gitu.
Sis,
Nadira.
itu yang kelolanya Discord siapa sis? Kalau aku boleh tahu sis.
Di staff aku sih kurang tahu ya siapa ininya. Cuman yang pastinya sih staff kita. Cuman aku nggak tahu bagiannya siapa.
Kasih buat untuk room ini dong sis, untuk room private sis. Kita bisa request.
Oke, nanti coba
Yes.
aku lihat ya. Aku lihat dulu apa bisa buat room baru atau enggak sih. Nanti aku lihat ya.
Mau
Sis,
minta linknya dong
sis
sis.
Saza in the
Someone
Discord
say
too. Sis,
Ya.
Hello, Bro Akbar.
sis Saza juga di Discord nggak? Main Discord nggak?
Aku sih jarang. Kadang-kadang sih kalau gabut.
But if you want join to
If
Discord
I know
room,
what's
Mungkin
your
nanti ya
name?
kalau libur mungkin nanti aku join lah. Kalau kalian ada di Discord nanti aku join kalau libur.
If I know what's your name in the Discord.
Just keep silent. It's a secret, bro. Nanti tinggal tebak-tebak aja gitu. Tebak-tebak aja yang mana si Saza, yang mana Bro Akbar, yang mana sis Nadira. Nanti tebak-tebak
oh
ya.
namaku itu sama
Tetap
kok
ya?
nama kayak.
Oh, oke. Tapi nama aku nggak sama.
Ya.
Miss.
Miss
Yeah.
Saza follow
Based
me.
on the voice.
Yeah, because
Okay,
I
join the
know
room, miss.
I know your voice.
Yeah, maybe you can just like remember my voice now. So we just meet in the Discord ya. Maybe later. Mungkin nanti libur ataupun kalau aku ada waktu deh, aku join. Kalau kalian join ya. Nanti
Ya.
kalau misalnya di grup kalian lagi ribut-ribut join Discord, nah nanti aku tiba-tiba menjadi penyusup di situ.
Langsung sambung.
Oke, sis.
Again,
Oke.
again si
Agensi AE.
iya. Again
Si Sasa.
lagi.
Si Sasa.
Yes.
Don't forget to follow back my akun
Oke,
Instagram.
siap.
Oh.
Yes.
Oke, guys. I will
Same
go back
for
after
me.
that, oke? Tapi
Me
ini udah
too.
masuk deh. Tunggu. Aku cek dulu.
Me too.
Punya saya nggak usah
Miss
di-follow
Oke,
sih.
oke, guys. I will follow you back, guys.
Si Sasa still
Sis.
artist no.
Hmm?
Still artist you. No.
No. How come? Okay. All right. Thank you so much, by the way, for tonight, everyone. So we'll continue the meeting tomorrow, ya. Besok nggak libur, oke? Bye-bye.
Yes.
See you
Okay.
tomorrow. Ya, apa tuh?
Can you set the recording, sis?
Oh, recording. Oke, siap. Habis ini langsung aku share ya. Aku kemarin
Oke,
lupa
sis.
banget
Kira memang suka curhat sih.
Nih, call next.
Minta link Discord-nya dong.
Besok nggak libur kan, sis?
Oke, nanti aku cariin
Enggak,
link buat
Bang.
ya. Enggak libur, besok masuk ya. Jangan kabur, jangan bolos ya, guys. Bye-bye.
Sis
See you.
Tata mana
Mahal
ya?
nih,
Nggak
mahal
ada
nih.
ya?
Sis Tata ngambek gara-gara Blackbar.
Aduh,
Wayu.
Bye-bye. See
Kasus.
you.